Every delicious chocolate bar begins long before it reaches the store. Today, we're going inside a modern chocolate factory. The journey begins with carefully selected cocoa beans, sourced from some of the world's finest cocoa-growing regions.
Before chocolate production begins, every cocoa bean is carefully cleaned and sorted. Advanced machines remove dust, stones, and
beans. The cleaned cocoa beans are carefully roasted at precisely controlled temperatures. This critical stage develops
The roasted cocoa nibs are finely ground into a rich, smooth liquid known as chocolate liquor. Despite its name, it contains.
Next, the chocolate liquor is carefully blended with sugar, milk powder and cocoa butter. Every ingredient is measured with precision,
where it is slowly mixed and refined for several hours. This process removes unwanted moisture and develops
tempered through a series of controlled heating and cooling cycles. This critical process creates stable cocoa butter crystals.
The perfectly tempered chocolate is poured into precision molds with remarkable accuracy. Every mold receives the exact amount of chocolate, ensuring each bar has a...
Before packaging, every chocolate bar passes through an advanced quality inspection system. High-speed cameras and precision sensors check each bar for shape.
After passing the final quality inspection, every package is designed to protect the chocolate's freshness. Once packaged, chocolate bars are carefully packed, stacked onto pallets by advanced robotic systems. Around the world with...
From cocoa beans to perfect bars, every step combines... Thanks for joining us. Subscribe to PrimeFoundry for more.